Explore with me a plant-based collaboration dinner. Visit Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival near Fort Lauderdale Beach in the semester, hosted by Joshua. As soon as you entered the event, there was immaculate vibes, so you know there was going to be a lot of exquisite moments made. For my first plant-based dinner, we even got to meet the chefs at the Steel Pan and the Rabbit Hole. Meal started with starfruit and citrus salad, pan-seared salmon by New School Foods, West African mango ceviche, Tijuana burrito tacos by Chunk Foods, and I even got to meet Samuel Woods of the Rabbit Hole Chef. Plantain ackee, pineapple avocado mousse, a Thai watermelon salad, and a plant-based filet mignon by Chunk Food with some vegetables and potatoes. But my favorite, you already know, is the dessert, the Turtle Island cheesecake, finished by Kwaya Wines. So come with me on my other plant-based adventures.